So next, let's welcome the third presenter from Yoki Finance is Constantine. Hello, how are you?
Hello, Claire. I'm fine.
Great. So you can start whenever you're ready. Yes.
Awesome.
I can hear you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you to Dora for that opportunity to speak about Yoki Finance. My name is Konstantin Shirogov, and I'm the founder of Yoki Finance, a Web3 subscription payment protocol that aims to fill the void of the recurring transactions availability in the crypto space. Before I dive deeper, let me quickly catch your attention. Why do you need to pay attention to Yoki Finance? First of all, despite being at the early stage, we already have 16 preliminary agreements with business customers on integration. Another notable point is that the market we are operating in could be considered a blue ocean. In the fiat space, recurring payments is a giant industry with an estimated transaction volume exceeding 13 trillion USD in the last year. And in crypto, recurring payments is an emerging market. And given its composable and programmable nature, it is highly promising. But it's not only important to spot the right timing for the blue ocean market and start effectively selling in it, but it also to be able to fulfill the promises and really build the product. And I believe we could do so as our team's expertise is evenly distributed among the product side and tech side. I myself enjoy being the marketing and product executive in the space since 2018, and the co-founder, Andrea, has developed complicated products in the space since 2016, including the layer 1 blockchains. Towards the end of the last year, I started Yoki Finance with the aim of creating decentralized dollar cost average solution. I myself struggled with investing using that strategy and doing it in the decentralized manner. The only solutions available were either designed in such a way that they blocked customer funds or was done through centralized entities. Upon conducting extensive research, I discovered a significant market demand not only for such a solution, but for the general automated transaction solutions. And consequently, I pivoted the concept from solely offering DCA to a broader range of recurring transactions. So what problem does that solve? Web3 provides unique advantage of self-custody, allowing users to have complete control over their assets. However, this feature also poses the challenge of requiring manual approval for every transaction. These approvals are complicated on the user level, but for organizations such as DAOs, it's a disaster, given their multi-sig approvals. Moreover, businesses in Web2 and Web3 that relies on subscription payments do not have a tool to monitor payments in an automated manner. In other words, business is losing money and customers are losing time. Therefore, automating functionalities on a larger scale is critical for the mass adoption of the crypto infrastructure. Yoki Finance is pioneering smart contract solution that resolves the problematic of automating recurring payments with self-custody. Companies can utilize the on-chain data to automate accounting, and end users can save time and build an on-chain reputation. Given the composable and programmable nature of the solutions in Web3, we will be offering an uncountable number of solutions tailored to the needs of different target audiences and industries based on the same set of the smart contracts. What is even more important, that we are providing the infrastructure that anyone can incorporate without our permission and create their own products. Just to give a few examples, what product could be created on top of such a protocol, it could be recurring billing for software as a service, gated content access for the media, artists, brands, and communities, donations, DAO treasury management payments, payrolls, automated loan repayments, automated staking and yield aggregation, dollar cost averaging, and a huge number of other. And finally, the token purchase subscription. So the token, that is our first case that we are building on top of our protocol. Integrating the token subscription widget helps community members to set up recurring purchases of the tokens with a single transaction. Let me show you how it works. Yeah, that's a demonstrational page of some project with an ERC20 token. And that project is integrated our widget on that page. User has already connected his wallet, and the asset that he will purchase in an automated manner is already pre-chosen. So user chooses the asset from which the purchase will take place, specifies the amount for a single transaction, and specifies the frequency of the transactions. So it could be on a daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even shorter in 1 hour or 4 hours basis. So let's choose monthly payments. User chooses the day or the month on which the transaction will take place, the timing, and now they can specify whether the recurring transactions will take place in the for unlimited time or for a definite time. Let's choose some definite time. Now we can see the details of the strategy, and as the strategy duration is 12 months and single payment is 10 USDT, and the transactions take place every month. So the overall sum is 120 USDT, and user confirms the transaction with a single approval for that sum. And in case if the strategy is unlimited, they provide the approval for an unlimited usage of the, in that case, stablecoin asset. And that's it. Strategy has been created. We can see that strategy in the portfolio that user could edit, pause, or delete. And what happens after that? We create the schedule for all the transactions that should take place. And when the timing comes, our smart contract takes the funds from user wallets, execute the swap using liquidity aggregated services such as 1inch, Kyber swap, and gives the asset which user aims to purchase back to his wallet. So we do not hold customer funds in any moment. So that's a complete self-custody solution without locking the user funds. And with that solution, with our recurring payment solution, and especially with token subscription, we do not consider the already existing players to be our competitors. First of all, the token subscription widget is unique, and there is no such use cases currently on the market. And as I already mentioned, the market is in the very nascent stage. So the amount of different use cases for different jobs and different target audiences can be unlimited. We have participated in Safecore and Gelato Hackathon on Dora Hex and created the first version, the first concept of our protocol. We are planning to launch that protocol and launch the widget on top of that, perform tech audit of our contracts, and start integration with already existing customers with agreement. And after that, start developing other use cases for subscription payments. So we do not build that technology completely autonomous. We stand on the shoulders of the giants. We use safe core account abstraction for easier user onboarding into the space, including authentication with the social graph. We are using Gelato automation for scheduling on the transaction in the decentralized way and executing that transaction. And we are relying on the liquidity aggregators such as OneInch and KyberSwap to execute the swaps. As I have mentioned, we have a team that is capable of doing that, of realizing such a solution, because we have experience in the space, both on the tech side and on the side of building the product and marketing. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much. What I want to highlight that token subscription widget is only one of multiple solutions that will be built on top of the recurring transaction smart contracts.
Thank you so much. And the time is good. Timing is just. Also, guys, if you want to know more details about Yoki Finance, please follow them on Twitter. I believe they will be sharing more exciting plans about this project in the future. And on Dora, we have milestones features. So if Yoki Finance has any updates to share with the community, please update the milestones on the website. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Claire.
Thank you, Konstantin. Also, big thank you for A3S Protocol and DZ.io. Today is amazing. Thank you all for watching this demo session. This session is recorded, so if anyone missed out this live stream, guys, you can rewatch this recorded session later on Binance Live. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you all for joining and watching. See you next time.
See you.
Thank you, Claire.